Amazon's spring sale is live, and these are the smartest buys right now. Most people are still wasting money on the wrong products. Still dealing with messy charging cables? This 100-watt retractable cable fixes that instantly. Faster charging, zero clutter, one cable for everything. Spring allergies getting worse? This compact air purifier cleans your air in minutes, perfect for bedrooms, desks, or small spaces. Still using a regular toothbrush? This Sonicare upgrade is heavily discounted right now. Better cleaning and perfect for travel. And this mini washer is perfect for small spaces and travel. These deals are already changing, so check now before they're gone. All links in description.